KIT Entrepreneurship Cell. We act as a support system for startups and help people to become an entrepreneur and also promote entrepreneurship among college students. This year, we will be starting with providing internships to students in various startups across the nation. Apart from entrepreneurship, we conduct sessions focusing on corporate world. We help people to build their startups from scratch, be it B-plan, networking, funding options or bootstrapping. We have solutions for almost everything. We engage students in assisting existing startups, be it service or technology related, who themselves do not want to start up. We work with different e-cells across the nation, which provide students great exposure. Apart from helping startups and regular sessions, KIT e-cell will be hosting many networking sessions and would be organizing entrepreneurship awareness drive.
Hello, my name is Upama Ghosh. I've been selected as a coordinator for KIT e-cell. My journey for KIT e-cell began a year back when I had this business idea, but I didn't have any idea about mentorship, funding and all. So KIT e-cell was the place where I got to know about it. So KIT e-cell not only talks about startups, fundings, mentorship and all, but it also talks about the corporate culture, the pros and cons of corporate world.
Hi, I'm Harshil Rupani, coordinator of KIT e-cell. My journey with entrepreneurship started way back in the year 2012 when I co-founded Rockswania, which is a multi-venture company.
Hi, I'm Ashish Das, coordinator of KIT e-cell 2014-2015. KIT e-cell is one of the finest platform for the students because we strongly believe in the corporate culture, and yes, we are looking into the needs of the present, of the time.
Hello everyone, I'm Upasna. You'll be seeing more of me in KIT e-cell from now on. About me, I'm a startup enthusiast and a bootstrapping entrepreneur in the making.
The college life, that's the only period which is the paid vacation, which you can say, where you don't have any responsibilities.
And let me clear a very common misconception about KIT e-cell. It's not just about business ideas. It's a platform for you to turn your passion into profession by business insights given by our mentor.
We have been collaborated with a lot of startups and companies. Apart from that, we're planning for entrepreneurship awareness drives in various colleges, and then there is a campus ambassador program.
Well, I almost again recently founded the Women on Web, WOW, which we all know, and that has given a very big response. Within 4 days we have come in the newspaper. Within 5 days we have made it to a magazine, and very soon we'll be having a documentary on WOW, which will be broadcasted by a very unknown television channel. And this is the basic thing about WOW. WOW just not looks upon the women empowerment. It looks on ways how to empower women. That's a basic fact. And KIT e-cell has initiated this, looking women as one of the prospects.
Entrepreneurship Cell is a perfect platform where you can showcase all your talents. We would be providing you with mentorship for business ideas, for funding required for your startups, and also we will be venturing into different fields like internships and all. Like many students are interested for internships or working in startup companies, so e-cell would be a perfect platform for that.
My advice to all of you is that if you're really passionate about starting your own startup or corporate culture, then this is the platform. KIT e-cell is the place.
And for all those of you out there who are dreaming of starting something on their own, it's time to start now.
Take risk, live life. That's all about it.
It's good to be curious, and don't forget, imagination is the new knowledge.
If you can dream it, you can do it.
Imagine.
Innovate.
Implement.
Thank you. See you soon in KIT e-cell.
E-cell rocks!
E-cell rocks!